Good evening all of you. Today we will discuss about the lesson coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are the resources we will get from the nature. So the resources which we obtain from the nature are called natural resources. These natural resources are classified into two categories. Those are inexhaustible resources and exhaustible resources. What are the inexhaustible resources? Inexhaustible. What is the meaning of exhaustible? Means if we are utilizing continuously, they are limited. Inexhaustible means they are unlimited. Inexhaustible means they are unlimited. We can get freely from the nature. One of them is sun. We can get the energy from the sun continuously and unlimitedly. So, inexhaustible resources, sunlight, air, soil, etc. All these are the inexhaustible resources. Means we can get unlimitedly by the nature. In the another exhaustible resources, these exhaustible resources, exhaustible means those are limited. If we are utilizing continuously, rapidly, we will not get for the future generations. Those are limited. We have to face the scarcity of these resources if we are utilizing widely. So those resources are forests. If we are cutting the forests, mean deforestation, for future generation we will not get these resources. Wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum and natural gas. These all are the exhaustible resources. Means these are limited in nature. So we have to utilize them in very carefully. We have to give these resources for the future generations also. So we have to utilize in a proper manner. If we did not utilize these resources in a proper manner, for future generation have to face the scarcity of these resources. Okay, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. We will get coal from dead vegetation. These dead vegetation have to convert into coal. It will take millions of years. That's why we can say that the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. We will get coal from nature, from the dead vegetation. It is a slow process. It will take millions of years to become coal. So the fuels which we get from dead vegetation are called fossil fuels. The fuels which we will get from dead vegetation are called fossil fuels. So coal is also one of the fossil fuel. Coal, petroleum, natural gas, all these are the fossil fuels. We will get these fuels from the dead vegetation. First let us see about the coal. Coal is a fossil fuel because it will get from the dead vegetation. Next, we will get coke from the coal by a process of coal gas is obtained during the process of coal to get coke. Coal has to convert into coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coal is converted into coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coal is a fossil fuel. Coke, it is a tough, porous and black substance. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It is a pure form of carbon. You may get the question like that, which is the pure form of carbon? So, coke, not coal. Coke is the pure form of carbon. It is used in manufacture of steel. For the preparation of steel also we will use coke. So, it is used in the manufacture of steel and also used in the extraction of many metals. Not only steel, for the extraction of many metals we will use coke. These all are also fuels. Coal, coke, coal tar, these all are fuels. Next, coal tar. It is a black thick liquid with unpleasant odor. Means unpleasant odor means the smell is not good. We cannot feel pleasant by smell the coal tar. Means it is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, those type of mixed smell you will get if we observe the coal tar. And also it is a black thick liquid. It is very thick, means its viscosity is very more. Its viscosity is very more. It is very thick. Coal tar, it is used in synthetic dyes. Tie and dye means we will give colors to the, we have to add colors to the fibers. That process is called tie and dye. In tie and dye, in dyes we will use this coal tar, and we will prepare drugs by using this coal tar. It is useful in explosives, preparation of perfumes, preparation of plastics, paints. We will use to paint to avoid the rusting of iron materials. To avoid the rusting of iron materials, we will use paint. That paint, that type of paints also manufactured by using coal tar. And also it is used in photographic materials and also roofing materials. Photographic materials, roofing materials, and also in our house, exactly for our domestic purpose, we will use naphthalene balls in our household activities. These naphthalene balls also prepared by coal tar. The next one is coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. While coal is converting into coke, in this process we will get coal gas. Coal gas, it is used as a fuel in many industries. Coal gas is used in as a fuel in many industries. The next one is petroleum. Petroleum is also a fossil fuel. Means it is also we will get from the dead vegetation. So it is a fossil fuel. Petroleum, the word petroleum is derived from petra and oleum. It is a combination of two Latin words, that is petra and oleum. Petra means rock. Oleum means oil, rock oil. Petroleum has another name, that is rock oil. The meaning of petroleum is rock oil. The process of separating the various constituents of the petroleum is known as refining. In petroleum refining industries, we will get some other byproducts. By the refining of petroleum, we will get some other byproducts, that is kerosene, diesel, natural gas, etc. All are the byproducts of petroleum refining. Natural gas is also one of the byproduct which we will get from the refining of petrol. From this natural gas, it is compressed and we will get in cylinders. This gas is converted into liquid form and it will be filled in the cylinders. That is called CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. It is used in the power generations. These compressed natural gas we will use in power generations. For the manufacturing of electricity, we will use as a fuel this natural gas. And also it is used as a fuel for transport vehicles. Generally, most of the vehicles are worked with either petrol or diesel. Nowadays, we are using these compressed natural gas cylinders for the transport. If we are utilizing widely these fossil fuels, we may get scarcity within short. So, to reduce that, and also if we are utilizing more fossil fuels, it may cause for the environmental pollution. To reduce this environmental pollution, and what are the activities we have to take to reduce this pollution and reduce the utility of these petroleum and natural gases, the committee which works for PCRA, means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. PCRA, the abbreviation is very important. PCRA means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. This association gives us how to utilize the natural resources in a proper manner to reduce the environmental pollution. At the same time, we have to give these resources for the future generations. If we are utilizing widely and continuously these resources, we may get the scarcity. How to reduce this scarcity? What are the alternatives we have in spite of these fossil fuels? What are the alternatives we have to use for our purposes? Okay, thank you.